Time to join a party in here. Woo.
My earplugs have disappeared.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Come on. You're welcome.
Who left their engine running? What do you think we've made of money?
Alright, Danny, you clear right, we'll clear left.
Hello? I tried to say hello, but they didn't want to know. Ammo report. I am down to 21 rounds.
Hold on a second. When we first started this, he said you had 400.
Well, my math was a bit poor.
Charlie team, more like cringe team, am I right?
Delta team, more like Dookie team. Hey!
I like how the second you divide a group of people into two
Yep.
parts, they just immediately just start hounding each other, even though
God,
they
I
could be
love
friends.
tribalism.
Well, can you blame us? Fucking look at them, Charlie. They're blue. They got different cars than us.
Yeah.
I mean, they're a very short distance away from just being the straight up enemy at this point.
Well, this fire team has 2 Americans in it, so it's automatically better.
Exactly.
And a Canadian's like 3/4 American.
Okay,
More or less.
maybe
More-
two-thirds.
And I'm a Welshman, so I hate the English anyway.
12 seconds later.
Let's go. People hit.
One of you got hit.
No, the Delta Mobile.
Delta, there it is talking crap.
Quickly get it repaired. Where did the RPG come from?
North.
Never mind.
I got conflicting reports there.
Big one stepping up.
Does 9 Rifles offer insurance? I might get lung cancer.
Last 6, 7 up.
Oh shit, that's a rock.
Run! Damn.
That's a river. That's quite a deep river.
Get the track onto that line.
I might be the only one left alive in Delta. I'm in the river.
Charlie?
I was trying to make it quickly while I was down, trying to make a meme of like, oh, Jackal of the River, what is your wisdom? But I couldn't enough time. After.
I can't believe Charlie got so jealous of the Delta Mobile they rammed us off the road.
Yeah. With an Eagle, and I magazine is empty. Okay.
Oh,
I create Everton. I can't see him anymore. God.
You might have to leave him.
alright, it's fine. You're not hot enough to give off the signature of a jet engine, so we should be okay.
Yeah.
Check the pulse.
Me, on the other hand, though, oh, gross. Why is there a dead cactus with us?
I really need some water. Anyone have some water?
Well, let me see what I
There
can.
might be some in a dead body of mine if you can find it. I had a bottle and a half.
I just yoinky sploinky to one from your backpack.
Was that my last one? I was literally drinking it. God damn it. You took it out of my hand.
Oh, cactus, my immersion is broken. Cactus is conversing with me from beyond the grave. He says it was rude for me to call him an ugly dead cactus.
Right behind you, Danny.
Oh, there's a guy here.
Did you guys get him?
Ow. I wish I could lean out the window and accost these dubers. Would you care for a jelly bean?
Sure. What flavor?
It's a pink one. So it's
Ooh.
probably it's either
Bubblegum?
bubblegum, candy floss, or forest fruits.
Why do you call it candy floss?
Because that's what it is.
Not cotton candy? It makes more sense, cotton candy, because it's got like the same texture as cotton. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Fine, you're fine. You're all fine.
I've lost them.
I think they just went around the left here.
Danny Fox?
Lost visual on you guys.
Alright, I'm back.
There's a guy
Oh, that's
right
a
there.
good-
There's a guy right there.
Alright.
Okay, I'll take him and Vic 1 or 2 with me and
Oh!
someone get in there with me to medic them. Mascus!
Oh, there's another one. And another
Two
one.
more. Oh look, all of Delta
Welcome,
died.
fellas.
Would
You join us
look
for a
at
cup of
that?
tea.
Yeah, we just got.
No, we need some more of these
fucked.
sweet deck chairs.
Alright, the prisoners, I mean the pilots, are in the building by the logistics vehicles.
Roger.
Oh, geez, what the hell?
Oh,
my-
look at it! Look at it! There are tears.